I like to do another experiment. Yes, it will be an artwork for the wall, and I don't want to make it very heavy. And since I was experimenting with this material, is a polystyrene, I think, or foam you call it. And yes, I like it because it's very light. And you can do so many things with it. So right now we'll show you this artwork, but let's tell you what material I use here, okay? A foam cutter. So this one is important, you do it outside, and if you do small work, you can do it also inside, but just have the window open, and also better if you put a mask on, okay? Then I will have, this one is to scratch. I don't know how you call it. You can see it here, okay? I went in the shop, I saw it, and I just took it just to experiment. And then some paper sponge, you see, it is like a sponge, you know, in the middle, you see in the middle is sponge, and on the side is some paper. So it's very, very comfortable and very useful. I like this one. Yes, so let's see what I'm doing. I'm improvising, okay? I don't know how it will come out, like always. So I will put you a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Right now, I like to make a nice shape here, and I tried with this one, but you see it is not easy. Okay, I tried also with this one. Actually, with this one it's not bad, it's a bit better, see, but I found out something else much better with this one. You see? Okay, now I show you. If I hold this one like this, you can see it works pretty well. With this one, it works really well. Me più mi lao. Kind video, Mama. She asked me with who I'm talking. I'm talking to you guys. Cano video. Faccio un video e parlo e spiego, va bene? Vuoi dire qualche cosa? There's a piece hello. Pilaki stanchi Lene kisses. Pesto, kisses. She wants to send you kisses. Kisses, Pesto. Kisses. Best hello.
Hello.
Okay. Sorry guys, but I think that's funny, right? Okay. So, you see this one is pretty cool, okay? I have to try to do with the small one. We'll see if it works. Mama, wala ka na? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, okay. Si dice yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So now this one, I like it like that. Maybe here a bit the corners, but well, I think this is enough like that. You can use this one, look, and then make it a bit smoother. So, oh, that's a different, right? Doesn't look the same. Okay, so this is one, this is in the middle, okay? Okay, I have here flower, and I will try do here the same thing.